Tonight, we have new developments and the Target 12 investigators' exclusive alarming access in the wake of our shocking investigation revealing that a convicted sex offender worked full-time at Rhode Island and Hasbro Children's Hospitals. A new bill has been proposed to prevent that from ever happening again.
If you had not done this segment and you had not addressed this issue, we wouldn't be here today following through and making sure that we're catching up to other states that had this legislation in place already.
The bill was forwarded by the state's top prosecutor and is now being considered by Rhode Island lawmakers. Target 12 with the exclusive details.
It's called the Child Safe Zone Bill, and Attorney General Peter Kilmartin says it's our investigation that prompted him to file it.
In October, a Target 12 investigation revealed this convicted sex offender worked as a full-time electrician at Rhode Island and Hasbro Children's Hospital. 56-year-old Jose Matosu pleaded no contest to one count of second-degree sexual assault in February 2012. Court records show his victim was 18 when Matosu was charged, but told police the assaults began when she was just 13. In the wake of the report, the hospital eventually terminated him.
Needless to say, that raised a lot of red flags and a lot of concern.
Interesting.
Attorney General Peter Kilmartin has proposed a law that would fine certain businesses for knowingly hiring a sex offender whose victim was a minor. The business would not be fined if the employee was dishonest. In that case, the offender could be sent back to prison for 5 years.
We want parents and children to feel safe when they go to activities that children would normally participate in or would have to go into in the hospital setting like Hasbro Children's Hospital.
The bill applies to a long list of businesses and nonprofits, from fairs and carnivals to movie theaters and healthcare facilities intended primarily for minors.
It's putting the fox in the hen house. It's a no-brainer. You don't do that.
Carolyn Medeiros is the director of Alliance for Safe Communities. She championed the proposed law.
It's very personal for me. I worked with so many children and saw so many horror stories.
The bill must first get through both the House and Senate judiciary. It could get a hearing as early as next week. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, Eyewitness News.